To meet your car transport needs, we proudly present our car transport trailers to provide you efficient and convenient transportation solutions. 1. Safe and stable. Our car transport trailers are made of hairstring steel to ensure the stability and safety of the vehicle during transportation, eliminating the risk of bumps and collisions. They are also equipped with professional fixing and protection devices to ensure that your car are always safe and sound on the trailer. 2. Flexible and diverse. Our car transport trailers are suitable for all models and sizes of cars. Whether it is a small car or a luxury SUV, we can provide you with professional transport services. Moreover, our trailer can be designed reasonable according to your needs, providing better adaptability. 3. Excellent service. We always focus on customers and provide our comprehensive and considerate services. We will do our best to meet your needs in every step of the order, such as shipping arrangement, tracking notice, or after-sales service. Our customer service team is always at your service to provide support and advice, so that you can feel assured after purchasing our trailers.